Xero Tax Software Review, Usage Experience. Links to Xero are in the description if you want to check it out. Xero is a cloud-based accounting and tax software designed for small businesses, accountants, and bookkeepers. It offers automated tax calculations, real-time financial reporting, and seamless integration with banks and third-party apps. The platform simplifies tax filing with features like VAT, GST, and sales tax automation, ensuring compliance with local regulations. It's user-friendly, with an intuitive dashboard that provides a clear overview of financials. Xero also supports multi-currency transactions, making it ideal for businesses with international operations. The software includes payroll management, invoicing, and expense tracking, eliminating the need for separate tools. Security is a priority with two-factor authentication and encrypted data storage. Xero's AI-powered reconciliation matches transactions automatically, reducing manual work. Collaboration is seamless, allowing accountants and business owners to work together in real time. Compared to traditional tax software, Xero stands out for its automation and cloud accessibility. However, it does have a learning curve for complete beginners, and pricing might be higher than some alternatives. Support is available via chat and email, but response times can vary. Overall, Xero is a powerful tax and accounting solution for businesses looking for efficiency and automation. If you need reliable, cloud-based tax software with strong integrations, Xero is worth considering.